In this section, we'll introduce TikTok's comment section feature. When you click on the comment section feature page, you'll see all the settings for the comment section feature. On the right side of the page, we usually have blue help documentation. When you click on each question mark, it will provide detailed information about each feature. If you don't understand a particular feature, you can click the question mark next to it for more details. Let me give you a brief overview of how the comment section feature works. The comment section feature allows you to interact with comment users on your competitor's video content. It mainly searches for videos based on the keywords you set, then enters the video's comment section to filter and interact with users in the comments, such as following or sending direct messages. The automation script will search for corresponding videos based on your keywords, then enter the video's comment section and filter comment users according to your filter conditions. Only when users meet the filter requirements will it perform operations like following or sending direct messages, or save user data. Once the set tasks are completed, the script will automatically stop executing. Now let's go through each feature on the page in detail. First is the keyword settings. For keyword input, you can choose between input mode or file mode. If you choose input mode, you can directly enter the keywords you want to search for in the text box. Multiple keywords can be separated by commas, for example, food, travel, music. The script will randomly select one keyword to search. If you choose file mode, the script will read keyword content from the file path you specify. Each line in the file should contain one keyword, and the script will read them in order. When you choose file mode, you also need to select a file processing method. You can choose loop or delete after use. Loop means that after reading the last line of the file, it will start reading from the first line again. Delete after use means that after reading one keyword and searching, it will delete that line, and next time it will read the next keyword. You need to enter the complete file path in the file path input box, for example, /card/tkkeywords.txt. Next is the operation interval setting. This represents the waiting time between basic operations, such as clicks, swipes, and input. The default interval is 1 to 2 seconds, which makes the operations look more natural and allows timely search execution. You can customize this time interval according to your needs. Below is the interaction interval setting. The interaction interval refers to the duration the script stays after performing a follow or direct message operation on a user. If you haven't checked the corresponding direct message or follow option, it won't pause. The default interaction interval is 5 to 10 seconds. You can set this time interval according to your own requirements. Next is the video filter setting. If you check the video filter option, you can filter the videos you want to enter the comment section of. You can set the video category, such as all, unwatched, watched, or people you follow. The script will filter videos according to the category you select. You can also set the publish date, such as all, last 24 hours, this week, this month, or last 3 months. The script will filter videos according to the date range you select. These filter conditions can help you find videos that better match your target audience. Next is the single video user count setting. You can set the number of users to collect from a single video, for example, set it to 10 users. The script will collect 10 users from that video's comment section for processing. If set to 0, it means unlimited, and the script will collect all users from that video's comment section. This setting can help you control the number of users processed per video. Next is the collection count setting. If you check the collection count option, you can set the total number of users to collect, for example, set it to 100 users. Once this number is reached, the script will automatically stop executing. It's important to note that if you're only sending direct messages or following, you don't need to check the collection count, because direct messages and follows have quantity limits, and the script will automatically stop based on these limits. Below are the filter condition settings. After you check the filter condition option, you can filter by follower count and following count according to your needs. You can set a follower count range, for example, 1,000 to 50,000 followers. Only accounts with follower counts within this range will be filtered. You can set a following count range, for example, 100 to 5,000 following. Only accounts with following counts within this range will be filtered. These filter conditions can help you find users that better match your target audience. We will also add AI recognition features in the near future that can identify user avatars to determine user gender and age. Next are the follow and direct message operation settings. Please note, this is crucial. If you haven't checked either the follow or direct message option, the script won't perform interaction operations and will only perform collection and filtering. The script's execution logic determines whether the process is complete based on the quantity you input for either the direct message or follow option you checked. When you check both direct message and follow, it will stop executing the script only after meeting the quantity requirements for both conditions. For the follow feature, if you check follow, you can set a follow count range, for example, 1 to 5 follows. The script will randomly select a number within this range to perform follow operations. For the send direct message feature, if you check send direct message, you can set a direct message count range, for example, 1 to 3 messages. The script will randomly select a number within this range to perform direct message operations. For direct message content, you can choose between input mode or file mode. If you choose input mode, you can directly enter the direct message content you want to send in the text box. Multiple contents can be separated by commas, and the script will randomly select one content to send. If you choose file mode, the script will read direct message content from the file path you specify. Each line in the file should contain one content, and the script will read them in order. You need to enter the complete file path in the file path input box, for example, /card/messages.txt. Next is the save data setting. If you check Enable Save Username, the collected data will be saved to the specified TXT file. You can customize the file path. The default path is /card/tk_comment_usernames.txt. You can also check Remove Duplicates. If checked, when saving usernames, it will check if the username already exists in the file to avoid duplicate saves. You can also check Clear Old Data. If checked, when starting collection, it will automatically delete existing files with the same name to ensure the data file starts from scratch. Alright, once all these settings are configured, don't forget to save. After clicking Save, you can execute the automated comment section process. Remember to set your TikTok app language to English before starting your operations. For the following demo video, we'll randomly set some values. Due to time constraints, we may set the operation interval and interaction interval very short. In your actual automation task execution, you need to set the corresponding content according to your actual situation.